Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to create a calendar in Microsoft Word without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Microsoft Word, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on New. Then scroll down right here, come to the search bar right here, and go ahead and type in calendar to get different templates. Once you type in calendar, having typed in calendar right here, go ahead and click on this search icon. And just like so, you're going to be present with different type of templates as far as calendar is concerned. However, you need to make sure that you are connected to internet before you can have access to some of these templates. You can see right here that my internet is on right here. So without internet, you cannot get to this template right here. So you can scroll down right here and choose any template of your choice. Like for instance, if you are interested in any of the templates, just go ahead and select on the templates. Like for instance, I'm going to click on this particular 2026 template right here. Click on the template, and then you have the preview modern floral calendar, writing up a home office, employee lodge, or gardening shed with this botanical theme yearly calendar, just like what you see right here. You can see from January to December right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply click on Create. And it's going to be successfully imported into MS Word right here, just like what you see right here. Now you can start to work on the design and the shapes as the case may be. You can go to shape format right here and then change anything you want to change. You can also come to the text right here. You can change the text to any other thing. Like for instance, we can put in your company name right here. We can say X Logistics, just like so. We can also make sure we change the font size, font color, and the like. So we can come in here and change the font size right here to whatever fonts of our choice right here. So once you change the font size, then we can also change the color as the case may be. And then we can also change the font size of the heading. Then you can work on the calendar color as the case may be, text color. Like for instance, if you want to give some of the important holiday different color or weekend day a different color, you can simply highlight on the text right here and choose whatever color of your choice. You can see when I highlight, I decide to change all these to red, just like so. You can change all the weekend day, whatever color of your choice. This will differentiate from the weekend day, and this will differentiate from the normal day. It's that simple. You can as well click on the, you can as well change the background as the case may be. Simply click on the background, and you want to make sure that you press the delete key on your keyboard. Then you can import another background. But if you are satisfied with the background, there's no point of changing it, and you are done. There are a few things you can easily change right there as far as the system template is concerned. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how to use Microsoft Word, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.